Math Module 4, Lesson 14. I can multiply unit fractions by non-unit fractions. So yesterday was multiplying unit fractions by unit fractions, which is 1 in the numerator times 1 in the numerator. So today I'm multiplying by something with 1 in the numerator, but in the second fraction there isn't a 1. There's an actual number with a value. So it's very similar to yesterday's lesson, so I think we're going to be very successful. So make sure in the next part of the video you're paying attention. It's something new. So you should be in Schoology. We're going to go to the math course. Then on the left, all the way underneath the frog, on the bottom, it says Play Positive, formerly known as Educanon. We're going to click on that, please. So you're going to have a screen pop up. Next few steps are extremely important, so be sure you are following directions. So we're going to click Approve. You are a student, so you're going to click I am a student, not an instructor or a teacher. You are a student. Then in the middle, we're going to click 5th-Math Coval, because it's math class. And then you're going to scroll down to Math 4-14, because we're on lesson 14, and it just happens to say Wednesday, February 28th, so we'll click on that. So this is just like before. You take notes of the video. Everything I do, you do too. However, this is the new piece. You will have questions pop up throughout the video that you must answer. What's nice is a lot of this lesson is similar to yesterday's lesson. So make sure that you are paying attention and actively engaged in your learning so you can answer the questions, because I will be looking at them tonight. So make sure everything I do in the video, you do in your workbook. Make me proud. Good luck. This will be on the smartboard throughout the day. So you're going to be doing concept development on pages 109 to 110. Taking notes. Everything I do, you do too. Then you'll work on the application problem, which reviews yesterday's math lesson on page 108. Put your name at the top, turn it into the tray when you're done. And then you'll start working on the problem set, which is extremely similar to your homework on page 111 to 112. I expect a wonderful report during math, since this lesson is extremely similar to what we learned yesterday and in previous lessons. Make me proud. Good luck.